Welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we will be learning how to fix AXS application not working. To fix your AXS application, the first thing you'll need to make sure is you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try turning Wi-Fi or mobile data off and on again, or enable airplane mode for a few seconds and disable it again. Once you turn on and off your internet connection, check for regular update for the app. Go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store and search for the AXS application option. Look for the app preview, and if you see an update button, simply tap on update immediately to download the latest version of AXS application. Once you are done with the update, try open the app and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still continues, you can start your device altogether. Simply go ahead and press and hold the power button for your device and restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. After you've restarted your device, open AXS application and see if that fixes your issue. If none of the solutions works, you can simply reinstall the application. From your app drawer, press and hold the AXS app and then tap on Remove App. Tap on Delete button twice in order to delete the app from your device. Once you uninstall the application, reinstall it again by going to your App Store or your Play Store. And those were some of the fixes that may help you fix your AXS application not working problem. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.